Today we will see problems on nuclear power plant. Okay, the first problem is an atomic power reactor can deliver 300 megawatt. Okay, power delivered by a nuclear power plant is 300 megawatt. If due to fission of each atom of uranium 235, actually it is uranium 235, okay, the energy released is 200 mega electron volt. 200 mega electron volt. Calculate the mass of uranium fissioned per hour. Okay, we have to calculate what is the mass of uranium, okay, which goes under fission reaction in a given hour. Okay. Unit mega electron volt or electron volt is used because the energy released by one atom, okay, is very less. For example, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Okay, so the energy released by a particular atom is expressed in terms of electron volt instead of joules. So here the energy released by one uranium atom is 200 mega electron volt, and we have to calculate mass of uranium fissioned per hour. Okay. Obviously, the mass of uranium which undergoes fission per hour will be equal to what is the mass of one uranium. Mass of one uranium atom into how much uranium atoms are there. Okay, total number of uranium atoms. Okay, means what? The multiplication of these two things will emerge a mass of total uranium undergoing fission reaction. Okay, we have to calculate what is the mass of one uranium atom first, and then how many number of uranium atoms are there which are going under fission reaction in a hour. Okay. So the data given by them is energy received, sorry, power developed by, they have given this information. 1 minute. Okay. Power delivered is 300 megawatt. Okay, means what? Power received from reactor is equal to 300 megawatt, which is equal to 300 into 10 raised to 6 watt. Again, it is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 watt. Also, we know that power is equal to energy by time. Okay, what is the unit of energy? It's joule, and the unit of time is second. Means what? Power can be expressed in watt or joule per second. Why this required? Because the energy developed by fission of one uranium is given in mega electron volt, okay, and which can be converted into joule. Okay, means what they have given information about energy of one uranium atom. So we have to convert this power developed by the reactor into energy. So energy received per hour obviously equal to, from this formula, okay, this implies E is equal to P into T. Okay, is what power into time is energy. 3 into 10 raised to 8 watt into per hour means what? Hour contains 3600 seconds. Okay, this will give 3 into 36 is equal to 108. 108 into, this is 8 and these two zeros means 10 raised to 10. 108 into 10 raised to 10 joules. Okay, we have energy in joules. Okay, now we have to calculate the energy received released by fission, which is given in mega electron volt. We have to convert that to joule. Okay, energy released per fission is equal to, they have given equal to 200 mega electron volt. This is the energy released by one uranium atom, which is equal to, as I said, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to 19. This is what we have to multiply it. This obviously it is given in mega electron volt, so we have to convert it first in electron volt, means 10 raised to 6 electron volt, which is equal to 200 into 10 raised to 6 into 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to 19. Okay, this will give energy in joules. Okay, 1.6 into 2 is equal to 3.2 into, this is 10 raised to 8 and this 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, these two will give 10 raised to 8 and this is 10 raised to minus 19, means what? 10 raised to minus 11. 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. Okay, so we have energy released per fission in joules. हे कळालं का कसं मी कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं ते? इथे 2 शून्य आहेत 2 वर, इथे 10 रेज टू 6 आहे, मी काय झालं, हे 10 रेज टू 8 झालं. ओके, आणि हे 10 रेज टू minus 19 आहे. मीन्स व्हॉट, वी हॅव टू सबस्ट्रॅक्ट 8 from 19 is equal to 11. Okay, and the sign is of the bigger number, that is minus. So energy released per fission is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 11 joules. Okay, now we have energy released by one atom, one uranium atom. Okay, so total energy released by all the atoms in an hour, okay, will be equal to, or for that we have to calculate the number of atoms fissioned per hour. Okay, so number of atoms fissioned per hour is equal to what is the total energy developed by them. Okay, total fission energy per hour, okay, in an hour, divided by energy released by one uranium atom, one uranium-235 atom is equal to total fission energy per hour. Means what? The energy received from the power plant, okay, in an hour is equal to 108 into 10 raised to 10. This is the energy developed by that particular plant, 108 into 10 raised to 10. And the energy released by one atom is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 11. So by this division, we can get total number of atoms. 108 divided by 3.2 equal to 33.75. 33.75. This 10 raised to minus 11, okay, 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to minus 11 when goes to numerator becomes plus 11. So it is equal to, okay, this is the basic maths, 33.75 into 10 raised to 21. Okay, these are the number of atoms fission in an hour. ओके, हे कसं कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं ते कळालं सगळ्यांना. पुन्हा एकदा तो प्रॉब्लेम मी समजावून सांगतो सगळा सॉल्व्ह झाल्यानंतर. ओके, they have asked for what? A mass of uranium undergone fission reaction in an hour. Okay, mass of uranium undergoes fission reaction in an hour, and which is equal to mass of uranium atom, mass of one uranium atom. We have to calculate mass of one uranium atom and multiplied it by number of uranium atoms. Now we have number of uranium atoms. We have to calculate mass of one uranium atom. For that, you have to know what is Avogadro number. Avogadro's number. Okay, this number is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, means what? Avogadro number denotes how many atoms in a given weight of matter. Okay, means what? Suppose the hydrogen, okay, we denote hydrogen as its mass number is 1. Okay, hydrogen's mass number is 1. Okay, means what? The number of atoms of hydrogen in 1 gram will be equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, this is the mass number. Okay, hydrogen has a mass number equal to 1, means what? In 1 gram, okay, in 1 gram, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, so similarly, carbon has mass number equal to 12, means what? In 12 gram, okay, this is mass number. Okay, we have to place it in here. In 12 gram, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms are there of carbon. Okay, similarly, uranium's mass number is 235, which denotes in 235 gram of uranium there are 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Okay, काल आहे जितका मास नंबर आहे तितक्याच ग्रॅमचा जो ॲटम तो पर्टिक्युलर मॅटर आपण घेतला तर त्यामध्ये ॲव्होगाड्रो नंबर इतके ऍटम्स असतात त्याचेच. ओके, कारण हा ॲव्होगाड्रो नंबर कॉन्स्टंट आहे. इट इज व्हॅलिड फॉर एनी एलिमेंट. ओके, सो 235 gram of uranium 235, okay, uranium 235 has 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Okay, atoms. So mass of one atom is equal to what? Okay, we want mass of one atom of uranium. Therefore mass of one atom of uranium 235 will be equal to 235 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Is it clear? If the 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms weighs 235 gram, then what is the weight of one? Okay, for example, suppose there are 10 items, okay, which weighs 100 gram. So one item's weight obviously equal to 100 divided by 10. Okay, we will get one atom's weight is equal to 10 gram. Similarly, if these number of atoms are there and their weight is equal to 235 gram, then one atom's weight is equal to obviously 235 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 20. Okay, Kala? Ankita Shinde?
हो सर.
Okay, simple maths आहे ते. Therefore, we have mass of one atom of uranium 235. So we can calculate now mass of uranium undergone fission in an hour. Okay, therefore mass of uranium fissioned per hour will be equal to mass of one uranium 235 atom into total number of atoms of uranium 235 fissioned per hour. Okay, we have calculated mass of one uranium 235, which is equal to 235 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into the mass of number of uranium atoms is equal to 33.75 into 10 raised to 21. Sorry. .75 into 10 raised to 21. If you calculate this, it will give this number 13.17 gram. Okay, so the mass of uranium fissioned per hour is equal to 13.17 gram. Means what? This teeny amount, okay, this is a very small amount, which will generate 300 megawatt of power. Okay, सगळ्यांना प्रॉब्लेम कळाला का? अजून एकदा सांगू. अर्पिता बामनकर, आशीष माळी,
yes sir.
कळालं का प्रॉब्लेम?
हो.
ओके. To solve such a problem, you have to know some constants like what is 1 electron volt, okay, which is equal to how many joules, or what is Avogadro's number, what is its value. Okay, these things you have to know. Okay, in this problem we have to calculate the mass of uranium undergoes fission per hour. Okay, obviously it is equal to what is the mass of one uranium atom and what are the number of uranium atoms undergone fission reaction. Okay, so we have to calculate those two things, and from the given data is power, which is equal to 300 megawatt. Okay, then we are converted it into watt or joule per second, and after that we converted it again in energy per hour. Means what, we have to multiply it in by 3600 seconds. In 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. They have given energy released per fission by one uranium atom, which is equal to 200 mega electron volt. We have to convert that to joules. Means what, we have to multiply it by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. After that, number of atoms fissioned per hour, obviously it is equal to total fission energy, is what, power output per hour divided by energy released by one uranium 235 atom. Okay, total fission energy is 108 into 10 raised to 10, and the energy released by one uranium atom is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 11. If we do this division, then we will get this number 33.75 into 10 raised to 21. Now then we see what is Avogadro's number. Okay, it is a constant which is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, which denotes how many atoms of a particular matter in a given gram, which is equal to mass number. Okay, means if the hydrogen's mass number is 1, means what, in 1 gram of hydrogen there are 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, carbons whose mass number is 12, means what, in 12 gram of carbon there are 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 number of atoms of carbon. Okay, similarly uranium 235 has 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 number of atoms in 235 gram. So the weight of one atom is equal to 235 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Finally, we have calculated the mass of uranium fission per hour, which is equal to mass of one uranium atom, which is equal to 235 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into total number of atoms per hour is equal to 33.75 into 10 raised to 21, which yield this number. Okay, now we will see second problem. Okay, problem is, what is the power output of uranium 235 reactor if it takes 30 days to use up to 2 kilogram of fuel? Okay, means what, total 2 kilogram of fuel is fission in a 30 days. given that energy released per fission is 200 mega electron volt, means what? Energy released by one uranium atom, and Avogadro's number is given equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kilomole. Okay. They have given the Avogadro's number, and we have to calculate what is the power output. Power output, for that we have to calculate total energy released per fission. Okay. Total energy released. Okay. And for that we have to know what is the energy released per fission of one atom, which is given equal to 200 mega electron volt. And when we multiply this number by total number of atoms goes under fission reaction, we will get total energy released. Okay. So first we have to calculate how many atoms goes under fission reaction in 30 days. Okay. The number of atoms in 2 kilogram. Okay, they given this data, 2 kilogram of fuel is used. 2 kilogram of fuel. Fuel means uranium, which generates energy, which is equal to mass in kilogram they have given divided by its mass number into Avogadro's number. Is equal to mass is 2 kilogram divided by mass number of uranium is 235 into Avogadro's number is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Means what? A 235 gram weighs has 6.023 into 10 raised to, they have given 26 kilomole. Okay, then how many atoms are there in 2 kilogram? Okay, it is like this. If 235 is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 26. Okay, they have given in kilomole, is equal to 2 kilogram equal what? X. This is what we have to calculate X. So X is equal to X is equal to 2 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 26. 10 raised to 26 divided by 235. Okay, just maths. Okay, you can use that formula directly. Okay, if you don't remember this formula. Okay, suppose they have given 10 raised to 23. Okay, per kilomole they have given. Suppose they have given per mole. Okay, means what? Is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. If they are given per kilomole, then it is 10 raised to 26, which is equal to, if we do this multiplication, then the answer will be 5.12 into 10 raised to 24. This number of atoms are there in 2 kilogram of fuel. Okay, these atoms fissioned in 30 days. Okay, therefore fission rate will be, okay, fission rate means what? Number of fissions per second will be equal to how many number of atoms are there, means what? 5.12. okay, I will write that formula first. Number of atoms in 2 kilogram divided by number of seconds in 30 days. Okay, the rate means what? Fission rate means what? Per time, per second. Number of atoms in 2 kilogram is equal to 5.12 into 10 raised to 24 divided by number of second in 30 days will be equal to 30 days into 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. Okay, this number of seconds are there. Okay, if you do this division, it will give this number 1.975 into 10 raised to 18. Ajay, please take snapshot of presenting.
Yes, sir.
But the energy released by one uranium per fission in a fission is equal to 200 mega electron volt, which is equal to 200 into 10 raised to 6 electron volt. Again, it is equal to 200 into 10 raised to 6 into 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, which is equal to 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 11 joules. Now we have calculated the energy released by one uranium in a given fission. Okay, they are given equal to 200 mega electron volt, and we have converted it into joules. Okay, I will write here the 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 1 joules per fission. Okay, means what? During a fission reaction, the one uranium atom will generate 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 11 joules of energy. Okay, so the energy released per second, okay, will be equal to the energy released by one uranium atom in a fission, okay, into what is the fission rate, into fission rate. Fission rate means what? Number of fissions happening or number of atoms going under fission reaction in a given second, okay, is equal to energy released by one uranium atom is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 11 joule, and it is happening in a given fission, into the fission rate is 1.975 into 10 raised to 18 this number of pigeons happening there in a second. Okay, if you do the multiplication, it will give this number 6.32 into 10 raised to minus 10 into 10 raised to 18 is equal to 10 raised to, sorry, this is equal to 10 raised to minus 11, which is equal to 10 raised to 7. Again, it will equal to 63.2 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, the fission will get cancelled, so the unit will be equal to joule per second. Okay, again, the energy released per second means what? E divided by energy by time, and it is equal to power. Okay, so it is actually power. Energy released in a second is nothing but what? A power. And joule per second is nothing but what? Watt. So it is equal to 63.2 into 10 raised to 6 watts. Okay, will be equal to 63.2 10 raised to 6 means what? Mega watt. We will end the lecture here.